Before a single bottle reaches the shelf, it begins here, in the quiet wait of a ripened orchard. Sugar content checked. Skin integrity confirmed. These plums are ready.
Left, right, right, left, right. Left, right, right, left, right. Left, right, left.
40 workers, 600 trees, one harvest window that won't wait. Every plum hand-selected, no bruising, no shortcuts. Row by row, the morning's labor accumulates into something larger. Efficiency is the orchard's second harvest.
Ready on 3, lift! Set it down easy, good. Straps next.
The orchard's yield now belongs to the road.
Secured, checked, ready for the 60-kilometer run to the processing plant.
Behind her, an orchard at rest. Ahead, a factory waiting.
60 kilometers between nature and machine, the plums begin their transformation. "60 kilometers of open road between the orchard and the line. Same driver, same route, every harvest season for 11 years. "14 kilometers to the processing zone. The road itself is part of the system. Every truck on this road feeds the same machine. First sight of the plant, the driver has made this drive 400 times. Weight logged, batch number assigned, the chain of custody begins. The orchard ends here, the factory begins.
Back it up, keep it straight, 2 feet, contact.
40 tons, reversed to within 2 centimeters. Precision is habit here. The first pallet crosses the threshold. 12 more follow. Staged, scanned, and sorted by batch. The plums are now the factory's responsibility. 40,000 square meters of controlled environment, built for one purpose: precision.
Badges, please. You're clear. Proceed.
No one enters the production floor without clearance. Every gram of product is accounted for.
Please complete all gowning steps before entering the production area.
Before touching the product, they become part of the system. 12,000 square meters of stainless steel and motion. The plant is fully alive. Water and steam, the invisible workforce behind every clean surface. From up here, the entire process is a single organism. Every line, visible. Every fault, immediate. The belt never stops. The product never waits. Every drop of water used on this floor is treated, tested, and certified before it touches the fruit. Order is not incidental here. It is engineered into every square meter of this floor. Zone 1, where the orchard meets the machine for the first time. First contact with water. 60 years of field dust begins to leave. Agitation without bruising. The physics of clean, precisely calibrated. What the orchard left behind stays here. Nothing unwanted crosses into the next zone. Cleaned and lifted, the first elevation in a long vertical journey. The table speaks a language of vibration. The fruit responds by revealing itself.
4 sets of eyes, 30 years of combined experience. Nothing substandard passes this point.
Looks good.
A final rinse at 3 bar pressure. Every surface reached. Surface moisture removed in 4.2 seconds. Dry fruit processes cleaner, sorts faster. Light reveals what hands cannot feel. Internal integrity confirmed. Grade A, destined for juice. Every millimeter of diameter accounted for. Grade A enters the core. From here, the plum ceases to be fruit and begins becoming juice. 120 stones removed per minute, 0 flesh lost. Nothing is discarded here. The stones become compost. The cycle continues.
The flesh yields 4 tons of fruit reduced to pulp in under 3 minutes.
Pectinase, the enzyme that unlocks juice from fiber, dose to the milliliter. "45 degrees, 90 minutes. Inside this tank, chemistry does the work that no machine can.
90 minutes of patience. The difference between good juice and exceptional juice.
The enzyme has broken every cell wall. The juice is ready to be freed.
The press never stops. Every revolution extracts another liter of raw plum juice. Raw, unfiltered, alive with color. This is plum juice at its most honest moment.
Good color, consistent flow.
First filtration, the coarse work, removing what the press could not. "3,000 RPM, gravity amplified, clarity achieved in seconds." "14.2 bricks, natural sugar content confirmed, no addition required." "95 degrees Celsius, held for 26 seconds, every pathogen eliminated." Every centimeter of this tube is a second of safety. 26 seconds, no shortcuts. From 95 to 20 degrees in 4 seconds, the juice is safe, stable, and ready. Volume confirmed. Blending authorized. Looks good. Ready for the next stage. Citric acid, ascorbic acid, natural concentrate, 3 additions, 1 balanced formula. Static mixing. No moving parts. Pure fluid dynamics ensuring every drop is identical. 1 screen. 140 process variables, all within tolerance. 1,200 bottles per hour enter the line in chaos. They leave in perfect order. No surface contact, no contamination risk. The bottle travels clean from birth to fill. Inverted, blasted, re-inverted. Internal contamination eliminated in 2 seconds. 24 valves, 24 identical fills. Tolerance, plus or minus 1 milliliter. Every cap torqued to specification. Every seal tested before the next machine sees it. "300 milliseconds per label. At this speed, identity is applied faster than the eye can follow. 4 cameras, 400 checks per bottle, 1 second to pass or fail. Burned into the bottle by light itself. The date, the batch, the accountability, permanent. The accumulation table breathes. It absorbs the line's heartbeat, keeping everything downstream perfectly fed. Steam at 110 degrees. 4 seconds. The sleeve becomes the bottle. The band is a promise to the consumer. Broken band means broken trust. Everyone is verified. The last human eyes before the consumers. Nothing leaves this station that cannot be defended. This batch is clean. Sleeve looks good.
This one's sleeve misalignment. Rejecting.
6 become 1. The multi-pack format is the unit the shelf will receive. "160 degrees. The film grips. 6 bottles become 1 retail unit. 4 multi-packs. 24 bottles. 1 case. The robotic arm never hesitates.
Sealed in one pass, labeled in the same breath. The case is ready for the warehouse.
"3,456 bottles. 1 pallet. Built in under 4 minutes. Bound, stable, and protected. The pallet is a finished product now. Every bottle inside, accountable.
3 bottles, 3 positions, 1 pallet. The sample represents the whole.
Every sample registered. Every result traceable. The laboratory is the factory's final authority.
Bricks, pH, 2 numbers that determine whether a batch ships or stops. "520 nanometers. The fingerprint of authentic Plum anthocyanin. No imitation matches it.
The table speaks a language of vibration. The fruit responds by revealing itself. 94 out of 100. The panel has spoken. The product has a soul.
Control to warehouse. Batch is released.
Copy that. Moving to pickup.
Every batch retained for 2 years. The archive is the factory's memory. Every bottle, forever findable. Released, authorized, lifted. The last phase of this journey is already beginning. 14 meters of vertical storage, every position assigned, every pallet accounted for. Location confirmed. Inventory updated. The system knows where every bottle sleeps tonight. Go to aisle 7, pick pallet 6 for order 12.
Order 12, aisle 7, pallet 6. Staging Palletizing, the warehouse empties as the road fills.
The cold chain begins the moment the dock door opens. Temperature is non-negotiable.
Position 3, forward. Next, position 4. Last one, position 6.
2,880 bottles. One truck.
Sealed, signed, dispatched. The cold chain is unbroken. The product is on its way. Looks good. Starting up.
In through one gate as fruit, out through the same gate as product. The circle of this factory is complete. Every pallet is a season's work. Every case is a contract honored. Every bottle is a promise kept. And this is how modern factories produce plum juice, from start to finish.
Every bottle starts right here. We're proud of what we make.
From orchard to bottle, 18 minutes, 100 scenes, one unbroken chain.